okay, which is you thinking, all right, so across the
What we really want to do is showcase who we are as an engineering technology school and show how we actually teach students. And we do a lot of hands-on learning, and we also want to show what equipment we have. The field of engineering needs more participants. I mean, engineering is always evolving, and we need more people in engineering, especially engineering technology, to build new things and to establish engineering in the future. This year the competition is kind of like a Hot Wheels Olympic style time racing. What we have is about 30 foot of track. So the students have to design like a mini dragster or some sort of vehicle that they'll put at the top, and gravity will cause it to fall down. And we're doing time trials. They can win scholarships. So first place wins $1,200 each, second place is $500 each, and then third is like a gift card. And for category 2, they can win Lego Mindstorms, RC Monster Truck, and Legos. Hope everyone comes here, they have fun, and they learn something, and hopefully if they don't come to SUNY Canton in the future, that they pursue some sort of engineering technology field.